First, we select the element with the class cube using query selector and stores it in cube variables. Next, we declare some variables. IsDragging is used to track whether the mouse is being dragged or not. StartX and StartY record the initial mouse position when dragging starts. And CurrentX and CurrentY hold the current rotation angles of the cube. These will update dynamically as the cube rotates. Now let's create the function onMouseDown, which is triggered when the mouse button is pressed. Set IsDragging to true to enable dragging, and set the StartX and StartY to the starting mouse position using client X and client Y. Our next event handler is onMouseOut. This triggers when the mouse button is released. Here we set IsDragging to false. This will ensure that mouse is not dragging. Now, let's create the core function onMouseMove. This triggered whenever the mouse moves. First, we check if mouse actually dragging or not. If not, it simply returns. But if dragging is on, then we calculate how far the mouse is moved from the starting position. For this, we subtract the starting mouse position, StartX, from the current mouse position, clientX, and store the result in deltaX. We do the same for deltaY by subtracting the starting position, StartY, from the current mouse position, clientY. These variables tells how much we are moved horizontally and vertically. Now, update CurrentX by adding deltaX and CurrentY by adding deltaY to it. CurrentX handles the vertical rotation, and CurrentY takes care of the horizontal rotation. Now we apply these updated angles to the cube using its transform property. Finally, we update the starting position to current position of mouse again after rotate the cube. That way, the next time the mouse moves, we know exactly where we left off. Finally, we add event listeners to the entire document. Mouse down starts the drag. Mouse move handles the rotation logic. Mouse up stops the drag. This ensures the rotation works smoothly no matter where you start or stop dragging. It seems we forgot to include the degree unit in the transform property earlier. Also, we have to use opposite values for CurrentX and CurrentY, because we want cube to rotate on y-axis when we move mouse towards x-axis. I think perspective property is not working properly. Oh, we not include the pixel here. Now it's working fine. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like this video.